Hi everyone. Well, Claire in the kitchen. For some who know me, they'll probably be laughing, but they also know that I make healthy granola and they all ask for it. So this is a super simple recipe. And the first thing I did was set my oven to bake for 350, and I lined a large cookie sheet with parchment paper so it's easy to clean up. So it starts with 4 cups of either rolled or quick oats. I think this is a combination of both. And about a teaspoon of salt. And then a cup and a half of raw seeds or nuts, whatever you have. This is a combination of all sorts. I think I have slivered almonds in here, pecans, walnuts, I've got pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, chia seeds, some quinoa. And I also put in just a little bit of shredded coconut. So that goes in. So once your dry goods are in, you can add in half a cup of melted coconut oil. You can also use olive oil if that's all you have, and half a cup of honey or syrup. I like a combination of both. I've tried them separately and I like a little bit of both in mine. It just seems to be a little bit sweeter. And then you also will need about 1 teaspoon of vanilla because I'm lazy and don't want to wash anything. I just kind of guesstimate. And then you mix it until all of the dry ingredients are pretty much have a little bit of coating on them. Then you just dump the ingredients onto the baking sheet. I like and make a nice even layer. I do like to pat this down just a little bit because I like my granola really crunchy and in big chunks. But you're gonna put this into the oven for about 21 to 24 minutes until it's golden brown, but halfway we're gonna mix this up. So I took this out of the oven at about the 11.5-minute mark, and I'm just gonna mix it up really quickly so that it's nice and even. You want it cooked all the way through. Once I've done that, you're gonna notice that I choose to use this to flatten it before I put it back, because as I said before, I like it really crunchy. And then back in the oven for another 11.5 minutes. So I took this out of the oven about half an hour ago. I let it cool completely, and then I put about 2/3 of a cup of dried fruit. I chose to do cranberries, but you can use whatever you want if you've got raisins or apricots or anything that you want. Then you actually break it up into the clumps that you want. You'll see that some are bigger than others. I do like it a little clumpier. Once it's broken up, you can put some of it. I put about 1/3 of it into an airtight container. You can leave that on the counter for up to 2 weeks. The rest I put in a freezer bag and put into the freezer, and you can keep it there for up to 3 months. So I hope you enjoy it.